ACP Vernon Francois' trip last week was to provide input on proposals for CARICOM ministers of national security and police matters. Those ministers are due to meet in St. Kitts later this month. Francois was representing the police force and Commissioner John Broughton at the 10th meeting of CARICOM Standing Commissioners of Police and Military Chiefs in Bermuda. The Assistant Commissioner says one of the major issues was the formulation of a justice protection program for the Caribbean.
Previously it was referred to as a witness protection program, but now the name has been broadened to a justice protection program. The main idea behind it is the fact that there are going to be cases where some witnesses involved in sensitive and serious cases may require a degree of protection. Also, justice in the sense that it may involve members of the judiciary, also directors of public prosecution, and people along that line.
Francois says protecting witnesses on St. Lucia has not been a primary focus for law enforcement, but in Jamaica, Trinidad and the Bahamas, protection programs are in place. He says representatives from those territories shared their experiences with the meeting. Francois says there is a growing need for those services in the region.
The issue of justice protection is not a real big issue for St. Lucia at the moment. The other islands have greater concerns as far as that is concerned, but it is important to us in the sense that there are going to be cases where we require to protect witnesses in some cases that they are involved in.
The Assistant Commissioner says the collaborative approach is necessary because in some cases, witnesses need to be moved to other territories and given new identities. The recommendations from the regional police commissioners and military chiefs will be considered by the ministers for an action plan. This is the second time Francois has represented the commissioner at a major regional conference in a month. 3 weeks ago, the Assistant Commissioner represented St. Lucia at the annual general meeting and conference of the Association of Commissioners of Police in Jamaica. Clinton Reynolds, HTS News, Channel 4.